Hello guys, good day everyone. For today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to use Excel filter function. So I'm going to share my screen. So I have here my sample invoice template and invoice listing. And here in my invoice template, I have here the invoice lists that we are going to filter. So the formula is equals filter lookup column, comma, unique column equals the unique value. So we are going to lock this by pressing F4, and we are going to copy this to other cells. So since this item name is in the column E, while quantity is in the column F, and so on and so forth, we are going to update the formula. So ayan guys. So the formula will be automatically spilled. So let's try to go on to invoice July 15, 2025. So ayun, automatically spilled na yung formula. So that's all for today, guys. So thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.